Hello, thanks for joining me today. Una from Oz here. I've been collecting ephemera and paper and all kinds of bits and pieces to make a A5 sewing journal, sewing themed journal. So I've been getting bits and pieces together, but I thought today I might have a go at making my own sewing themed washi tape. So I've got a piece of double-sided A5 paper card, sticky sided, both sided, and I've got really old yellow paper pattern tissue, and I thought if I peel off one side and then I stick this piece of tissue down, hopefully it won't go astray on me, and I've got a selection of sewing stamps. So that one's got stitches, that one's got ruler, I've got some buttons, I've got embroidery scissors and a machine, I've got a bobbin end, and I've got a needle and thread, and I've got a thread holder. I've got a few others as well. So I thought I might stamp all over the tissue paper. I'm assuming the tissue paper will take the ink really well. And then I'm going to actually cut it up. So I'll have my own strips of sewing themed washi tape. So I haven't done this before, so let's just go along and see what we can create. So here are my finished sewing washi strips. So these were the first ones I made, and I cut them sort of thinnish. And then I actually found I had a heap of offcuts this size from another project I did. So this one I just stuck some graph paper down and then stamped on it, so they'll be more of a sticker because there won't be a see-through. And these strips I just did the same and stuck them onto the tissue pattern paper and then stamped all over them and cut them out. So I've actually thought that worked out really, really well. So if you look at them, because it's double-sided, you watch, I won't be able to peel it up. You peel it back and it makes a tissue type washi tape, which I think has worked really, really well. And that'll certainly go well with my project. These ones, I could certainly cut them in half to make, if I wanted to make them thinner. Anyway, well, that worked, and I was actually really surprised how easy it was and how good it looks. Anyway, join me next time for something else.